Hi, I'm Andy from the Tile Press. I'm residential project manager, and I'm here with Bobby from Schluter.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Bobby. I'm with Schluter Systems.
Well, we're here on a residential project, and we're wanting to do a full Schluter install.
We're going in with one of our foam pans today. We're a little bit different than your traditional water system. Most guys are seeing a mud pack, and that's what we call a water in, water out system. We are a foam pre-sloped tray that we will install with thin set, and then our trays also accept our drains that come with them. We sell trays in both line drains and center point trays.
We're going to talk about the install of the KERDI. And we're using, as you can see, Schluter-KERDI board, all screws and washers.
You guys are using our KERDI board on your walls, which is our waterproof board that is an alternative cement backer board. So this is going to come in 8 different thicknesses so we can achieve any sort of buildup that we might need in our shower. But the biggest thing is this board is already waterproof. So the only thing that we're going to have to do once this board is installed is address all of the seams and the screw heads with our KERDI band here. We offer a couple different options in the line drain game. This is our more high-end one here. Comes in multiple different sizes, starting at 2 feet and growing up to 6 feet. Every one of our line drains comes with our KERDI bin that we talked about earlier, integrated and already pre-attached to the line drain. So it makes it super easy to waterproof for your installer.
Well, thank you, Bobby.
No, not a problem. Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it so much.
Always learning, and the always evolving Schluter brand, which we love.
Well, we appreciate your guys' support, and we appreciate you having us out on this job site today.